watch in effect from Monday evening through Tuesday afternoon. What? Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 24 below possible. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? From Monday evening through Tuesday afternoon. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Dress in layers including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. To prevent water pipes from freezing, wrap or drain or allow them to drip slowly. Keep pets indoors as much as possible.